Hey everybody, Brian with Friendly Hobbies. Today we have the new addition to the high trail fleet from Traxxas. Traxxas is taking it up a notch with the introduction of the new Ford F-150 Ranger XLT, and we're going to unbox it today. Man, that is a gorgeous blue color. They've really made this thing look super scale. Gorgeous rims, 2.2 tires, the step board, roll cage with the KC lights, the trim, which is not stickers, it's full plastic. Just a phenomenal choice. Traxxas pre-installed a high lift kit on 2.2 tires. They installed a super scale roll bar that's compatible with the K5 light kit. They've added light buckets to make the installation of a light kit super easy. Let's take a look inside. I really love how Traxxas has included the clipless body system with all the new models. It makes it so easy to take the body off. Traxxas includes a standard 5-channel remote. Everything looks pretty standard in here. They have the XL5 ESC that handles a 2 or 3 cell LiPo, your 21-turn brushed motor, and your 2 Metal Gear digital servos for the high and low gears. They've included some extra long GPS shocks, standard front and rear locking diffs, and standard portal axles. Traxxas has kept it pretty standard, but they've really outdone themselves with how beautiful this scale body is. The official release date is March 3rd. You can pre-order it on our website, or better yet, come into the store, put your hands on it, pre-order it, get one for yourself. We'll see you soon.